In this video, you'll learn how to create an eBay variations listing. By the end, you will be able to effectively set up a listing that showcases different options for your products, such as size and color, to enhance the shopping experience for potential buyers. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once signed in, navigate to the top of the page and look for the option labeled Sell or Start a Listing. Click on this option to initiate a new listing. It is important to select a category that supports variations such as clothing or accessories. This can be done by browsing through the list of categories or using the search function. Choosing Create a Variation listing instead of a standard listing is crucial, as this will allow you to add multiple options for your items. Ensuring that the category supports variations will prevent any errors during the listing process. Next, you will need to add the variation details. This includes entering specific options like size, color, or style for each variation of your product. For every variation, upload distinct photos to provide clarity for potential buyers. It is also necessary to specify the quantity and price for each variant you are offering. This thorough setup not only improves the buyer's experience, but also helps to prevent any confusion regarding the options available. Taking the time to complete this step with accuracy will reduce the chances of disputes or returns later on. After entering all the necessary variation details, it is time to review your listing. Look for a preview option, which will allow you to see how your variation listing will appear to buyers. Confirm that all options display correctly, including photos, prices, and quantities. This step is essential as everything is accurate before the listing goes live. If everything looks satisfactory, you can proceed to publish your listing. This action makes your products available for sale on eBay. Once your listing is published, it is important to monitor sales and any questions from buyers regarding the variations. Keeping an eye on buyer interactions will help you address any issues promptly and maintain a professional presence on the platform. Proper review and monitoring ensure that your listing remains effective and appealing to potential. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.